Hi guys, this is Jackie from the Builderall team. In this session, I'm going to show you how to create a form to allow clients to subscribe to your webinar and then collect the emails. So you're going to go to Apps, Builder, and go down to Webinar Builder. You're going to click and it will open the dashboard for the webinar. Now we've already in the previous training sessions created an evergreen webinar, the start of it. I would suggest you go take a look at it before you go on with this section. We're going to click on the pencil. We're not going to go through all the details. We're just going to go to forms. Obviously, you need to populate all the information that's necessary right there before you create your form. So we're going to click Add Form. We're going to call it Evergreen for now. It's going to open up with the settings. This is the URL that needs to navigate after the user subscribed. That is what you need to put in right there. Then the email sequence, you have already created an email sequence right here, and I'm going to go back to show you that. Right here is an email sequences that you've created. This one is called the Builderall webinar. So you can create a few different ones. It depends what you want to do. And let me just go back to the green webinar. So you need to go to the drop down and choose the correct one. Where do you want the email to send from? So you can put in your email address right there. The MailingBoss reference to send the collected to. So where must the emails be captured to? I think I said Builderall training. This is the style section, means the look and feel of what the form should look like. So we've got a variety of different options. I'm just going to click blue for now so you can see. Actually, I like the standard more. Then we've got translation. If you would like to translate the title, the subtitles, all of this to your own language. And then the most important part is events and seats. Now, if you click on the event date that you've created previously on the content and schedule, you would be able to specify how many seats is available and how many has already been taken and how many is left. This will just help your webinar to get a quick attention so that people would book because they do not want to miss out on this event. So that's what that is for. Now you can choose how many times you want this to be shown or how many dates can they choose from. So you need to give them a variety of options. And obviously you can change the amount that is available or free or not free. So we can just add it like that. And that is how you do the form, and then you can just grab the embed code. I'm just going to show you what it looks like. If we go live here, what the form looks like. There is the form. You can see it gives you the variety of options. Obviously this won't look like this on your website at all. So in the next session, what we're going to do is we're going to take all of the information that we have created for a webinar, the general, the content, the webinar room, everything, and we are going to add it inside a webinar funnel, and I will explain a little bit more. See you in the next session.